Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about how to build a restaurant app. The online food delivery market in India is growing rapidly. In fact, it is expected to reach $15 billion by 2025. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing urbanization of the population, the rising disposable incomes, and the growing popularity of smartphones. Did you know? Online food delivery orders in India have grown by more than 100% year-over-year. The most popular food items ordered online in India are pizza, biryani, and burgers. The most popular online food delivery apps in India are Zomato, Swiggy, and Uber Eats. How to build a restaurant app in India with Throwcode software solutions. If you're interested in building a restaurant app in India, Throwcode software solutions can help you with every step of the process, from ideation to launch and beyond. We have a team of experienced app developers who can create a user-friendly and feature-rich restaurant app that meets your specific needs. We also have a team of experienced digital marketers who can help you promote your app to potential users and drive downloads. Here are some of the key steps involved in building a restaurant app in India. 1. Understand your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs and preferences? What are they looking for in a restaurant app? 2. Define the features and functionality of your app. What features are essential for your app? What features would make your app stand out from the competition? 3. Design a user-friendly interface. Your app should be easy to use and navigate, even for users who are not familiar with online food delivery apps. 4. Partner with restaurants. You need to partner with restaurants in order to offer your users a wide variety of food options. 5. Test and launch your app. Once you have developed your app, you need to test it thoroughly to make sure it is bug-free and works as expected. Once you are satisfied with your app, you can launch it on the App Store and Google Play. How Throwcode software solutions can help you succeed. Throwcode Software Solutions has a proven track record of success in developing and marketing restaurant apps in India. We have a deep understanding of the Indian market and the needs of Indian consumers. We also have a team of experienced app developers and digital marketers who can help you every step of the way. If you're interested in building a restaurant app in India, we encourage you to contact us for a free consultation. We would be happy to discuss your needs and help you develop a plan to create a successful restaurant app. Keep in mind, make sure your app is compatible with Indian payment methods. Make sure your app is optimized for slow internet speeds. Consider offering rewards and discounts to attract users to your app. Use data to understand your users' behavior and make improvements to your app over time.